Happy Easter po sa inyong lahat. Paghahandaan natin ang ating bagong simula dahil patuloy ang ating kwentong buhay. Para sa mabungang buhay tayo na po't magkapet pandasal. Sometimes we get so used to things being bad that we stop expecting anything good to happen. The women went to the tomb of Jesus expecting to find a dead body. But instead, they found an empty grave and a huge surprise. Their whole world changed in 1 second. This story is for anyone who feels stuck in a boring or sad routine. It reminds us that God can shake up our lives and give us a fresh start when we least expect it. Even if we feel fear and joy at the same time, we are called to move forward into a new chapter. Kaya manalangin po tayo. Buhayin mo, O Panginoon, ang aming kalooban at akayin mo kami sa aming pagbabagong buhay. Amen.